Guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I've got an unboxing experience of the HammerHead True Wireless Headphones, and they're by the gaming giant Razer. They define themselves as gamers. I really like the company. Let's get this unboxing underway. Right, looking at the box, I'm liking it so far. It's really nice. I hate too much information, writing and things like that everywhere. This is what I like to see. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, yeah, let's look at this box, what we get inside. Okay, that slid out pretty easily, nice and green inside, nothing to flash there. Alright, on this side we've got the warranty paperwork and stuff. It's got a nice thank you card. Okay, so this is basically all the installation and everything like that. You got, as usual, two Razer stickers with it. Those are the headphones. Okay, as with all Razer, they always do this little cloth wire which stops it from stretching, which is really nice to see. Okay, those aside for a sec. Got those rubber bits in the end as well. USB-C, that's very nice to see as well. USB-A on the other side. And you've got tips, I guess, different tips for the headsets. Yes, so different tips just in case those ones get damaged. They don't look like they're different sizes, because otherwise it'll have a large and a small, and it'll normally have a medium. It's just, I guess, for a backup, I guess. Now what else do we get? This is a bit of a hook or something to hang it on a bag with. Very soft, very nice box, guys. Very nice. Ooh, that's very cool. That's very different. That's nice to see as well. Okay. Look at everything. It's just effortless. You know, you don't need to do this to the box while you're unboxing it. Very cool. Comes with the charging case. Let's pull these out. So they've got the indication here as well. So left goes into left here, right here. Okay, and you can see where this corresponds to right here. Okay, bang. All right, that's basically it. And it takes the USB-C there. Very nice, guys, very impressive. So I'm just trying to think. There you go, and that's where you would be putting this into. So just like that, and bang, and then you tie it up. Awesome. Right, now one thing that I'm still thinking about. Okay, so these are rubbery bits, I guess, to make it more comfortable. All right, let's try and put them on. This is the right one for the right side. Doesn't say anything on it, so that makes it a bit hard, but I think that's for the other side. Let's actually do the other side then, in that case. Would it charge if I put this on? Yeah, it would. So it's charging through there. It's very Apple Pod design. AirPod design. There you go. Alright, they fit pretty nicely on there. Not too bad, I think. Need to play around with it a bit more, but that's about it, guys. So they're going like that, and these bad boys go in there, bang and bang. That's it for the unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Please do subscribe to this channel. It helps out a lot. If you'd like to see more content, that's how you guys can support me. Give it a like, that way other people can find it, and also comment below what you'd like me to pair this up against. I'll be doing a review in about 2 weeks after I've used it for that time, but let me know, maybe AirPods or AirPods Pro, maybe some Galaxy headphones. What do you think? Anyways, guys, this is it. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and you can support me on Patreon as well. The links are, everything is in the comments below. All right, thank you so much for sticking to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.